think there's a lot of innovation going on in our industry these years. This is the best place to come together and share. We were known for being behind when it comes to tech. Now I'm seeing our peers and ourselves with AI solutions that work. Foundational pieces that's boring to build, but it's really the enabler to work with data in a totally different way.
The Clinical Data Lighthouse, partnerships on the road to Vision 2030. I'm very happy to have here Ibrahim Kamstrup-Akkaoui, Vice President Business Architecture and Partnerships of Novo Nordisk. Thank you so much. I want to start by thanking you and Novo for hosting us here at the SCDM EMEA Conference. Thank you so much. Any reflection maybe on how this conference went and some takeaways?
Well, always great to have all our peers and partners moving in to Copenhagen for a few days and share some good thoughts. I think there's a lot of innovation going on in our industry these years. So the more we can learn from each other, the better. And I think this is the best place to come together and share our thoughts and good ideas for the future.
And then as the conference went along, maybe any takeaway? What was exciting to you? What was one of the events that you really liked? Or?
I think I'm suspecting, like any other businesses, the topic of AI is all over the place. So that's definitely also something we've been hearing in many sessions here. And it's great to see that we're actually, I think back in the days were known for being a lot behind other industries when it comes to tech. But now I'm seeing a lot of our peers and even ourselves experimenting a lot with AI and even having some solutions that work. So having also the regulators here, so we can have the conversation about how do we apply AI in a compliant manner has been very useful for me. So when I go back home tomorrow, I know more or less what to be done.
Good. And so when we talk about digital infrastructure and innovation, you just touched upon this, but so how do you see that evolving either in the industry or in Novo, and what excites you with the opportunities with digital infrastructure, but also what is challenging that you can foresee be happening?
So I think if I start with the challenging part, I think we've spent now the last few years, and I think that's both us at Novo, but also my other good peers out there, we've been building our new digital infrastructure. And this is starting to come together. I think it's the same for my peers and partners out there. So once we have that solid foundation, this is where we can start to apply the fun technology on top, because some might think that, okay, the foundational pieces, that's boring to build, but it's really the enabler for us to work with data in a totally different way. And also preparing ourselves for the data coming in, because I think I've been presenting and I've also seen others presenting about the volume of the data, velocity, and the way it comes in, and the many different data sources that we're getting now and moving forward. So complexity is rising, and we need that really solid platform that also enables that we can build smart technologies on top and also adopt the AI solutions.
Yeah, very good. We need the foundation first before we can do the fun stuff like you mentioned. Yeah. Maybe a fun question as well. If you have a magic wand, anything that you would like to create, if no limitations, anything you would like to have tomorrow?
Yeah. Well, I think I'm going to switch to the people side there. So if all my good colleagues and peers, including myself, would just be proficient in utilizing AI the best possible way, because we're starting to see the potential of it, and I'm now getting updates week by week and not just a month or every quarter that we did something with AI. Now it's really out there, but if we could start on what we used to think was the unicorn projects now by just elevating our skills and capabilities to really master the AI technologies in our space. That's where I would use my magic wand.
Yeah, very good. And if you would be able to use the same wand, you have a second choice. You can eliminate anything. What would that be?
Oh, eliminate something. I think probably the mindsets of what can't be done with the excuse of compliance. I actually think sometimes there are also opportunities in compliance, because what you want to do is also something that is supposed to work and be safe to use, because we have often the life of our patients in our hands, and whatever we do has to be compliant. But take that and use it to build robust systems, rather than seeing it as an excuse not to utilize the new technology.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I had a lot of fun here at this conference. We had a lot of fun the last couple of days. I hope it's the same for you. But again, I want to really thank you and thank Novo for hosting us here. This is a fantastic and lovely city, Copenhagen. So thank you very much for hosting us.
Well, absolutely. And you're always welcome anytime.
Very good.